Shalom and welcome to our new online edition of Jewish Voice. I'm Jonathan Bernis, President and CEO of Jewish Voice Ministries International. We brought a wonderful team of doctors, dentists, eye care workers, opticians to put on a clinic to reach out to the Jewish community here in Addis Ababa. Ethiopia is one of the poorest nations in the world, and we're here to bring the love of Messiah, the love of Yeshua, to these precious people. I've been working here in Ethiopia since 1999, bringing these teams to help these impoverished people with their medical, dental, and eye needs, but more importantly, to share the gospel, to earn a platform to share the gospel with these precious Jewish people. During the next 10 days of our outreach, and this is for the first time ever, we're going to be highlighting our outreach to two Jewish communities here in Addis. You'll be able to follow all the action on Facebook, on YouTube, on our website, and other social media vehicles. We're reaching out to, first of all, to the Beta Avraham community in the outskirts of Addis Ababa in a place called Kicheni, the poorest area of the capital city. And the Beta Avraham number about 50,000 people, Jewish, that went through a conversion. I'll talk about that in just a few moments. But they are persecuted by their surrounding neighbors as Buddha, those with the evil eye. And we've been helping them for the last 5 years and have really raised the level of the community, and many hundreds of these precious people have come to faith in the Messiah. And then also to the Beta Israel community originally from the northern city of Gondar. And they are displaced from the north, waiting to finally be accepted to return to Israel, and hopefully that'll take place in the next couple of years. Our mission at Jewish Voice is to reach out to the lost tribes of Israel wherever they've been scattered, and tens of thousands of Jews have ended up in Ethiopia. Now, how did they get to Ethiopia? There's lots of stories. No one is exactly sure. They claim that their origins go all the way back to the Queen of Sheba and Solomon. They had a union and produced a son named Menelik, and Menelik returned to Ethiopia with many of his offspring and Israelites, and according to this tradition, they brought back with them the Ark of the Covenant. Some historians say their history doesn't go back that far. They connect their heritage to the tribe of Dan, one of the lost 10 tribes that were scattered in the Assyrian captivity. No one really knows for sure. What we do know is that these people are Jews. They've been living here for hundreds of years, if not thousands of years. Many, over 100,000, have been able to go back to Israel, but still tens of thousands remain. Many of them remain because they underwent conversion to Christianity. They were persecuted by the Ethiopian neighbors and by the regime, and so they went through a conversion to Christianity, mostly to avoid persecution. And as a result, many are not accepted by the state of Israel because of that conversion, some of them long past in their heritage. So we're helping these impoverished people as long as they remain here in Ethiopia, whether it's months, years, or decades. We'll continue to minister to the needs of these impoverished Jewish people in Ethiopia, many whom don't have the money to go see a doctor when they have a simple ear infection or an eye problem or a tooth problem. And these people, as a result, have suffered greatly. And that's why we're here with your help.